Alright, it's Thursday, January 10th, about 4:33 a.m. Arizona time. On my way to pick up the brother-in-law and head down to the airport to fly out to North Carolina to get our new truck. Kind of anxious and excited, terrified. I got a flutter of emotions going on. But I'm really looking forward to this trip with the brother-in-law. I think it's going to be fun. I think we're going to have some fun. A little redundant there. But let's just hope that this vehicle is everything that the selling party had promised me. Because if it's anything less, then I'm just going to turn around and get right back on a flight, come home, call it a day. But headed out to pick up a 2016 F-150 with 30,000 miles, and then truck some 2,200 miles back here to our home state, Arizona. So should be a blast. Just hope I don't freaking puke. Rock and roll.